Alright, so I got it, and I opened it up, put a battery in it. First things first, the battery was completely dead. Completely dead. It was at under 4 volts, the battery. So then I went to go turn it on with the different 2S. Came on. Alright, bind it to the controller, everything was beautiful. But when I went to go give it some gas, there was a clicking. Like a defined clicking. Like if I want to run this, something's gonna happen. Alright? So I kind of just assumed it was in the gearbox. Well, come to find out, you gotta take the top battery off, which isn't that big of a deal, but it's 4 screws, and then another, I think maybe 4 screws to hold the cover on. Maybe it's 6 to hold the cover on. I think it is 6. But anyway. Now, all plastic gears in there. You know, isn't a problem because it's a small truck, but you should know that. But the thing is, it did have a small amount of grease in there. Right? It is bearings in there all throughout it, but I went ahead and put marine grease in it. I noticed the pinion was barely on this white gear right here. Sorry about my finger. I cut it during the unboxing, but that right there, the pinion was barely touching it. Barely. So I moved it out a little bit more. Got rid of the burr that was inside the brass pinion. Hopefully that was a problem. I do not hear it now. I do not hear the noise now. So I'm about to put it back together. But I do want to add that on eBay, they sell full steel gear upgrades. Both of these. This one and the bigger one. And the main gear. They sell both of those. So don't be discouraged with the plastic gears. I'm going to run these plastic gears because honestly, unless I get into a crazy ass bind, I do not see it breaking that. What's up, baby? Well, that's it, y'all. Just want to give you a little update. That's where I'm at. I have not taken the steering servo off yet. Yeah, you got a new Band-Aid. I'm not taking the steering servo saver off yet. I have not done that, but that will happen. Just wanted to give an update on the clicking noise. So, hopefully it's fixed. I'm about to put it back together right now. Just trying to make sure everything's greased up real good. Want that marine grease on both sides and the metal shielded bearings. Later.